Good morning. Today we will discuss the digital electronics code conversion. Code conversion. Here, code means numbers, decimal, octal, binary, hexadecimal. Conversion means to convert one form of code into another form of code. Suppose to convert the decimal to binary or binary to octal, octal to hexadecimal. One form of code to convert into another form of code. This is called code conversion. Okay, conversion means it will convert from one form to another form. Here the code conversion means the given number system. The given number system to convert into another number systems. It will convert the another form of number system. This is called code conversion. First, we will discuss the decimal to binary conversion. Okay, here given given decimal number system to convert into binary number system. The given decimal number to convert into binary. Okay, first sum 33 base is 10. Now to convert binary number system. The given decimal number to convert the given decimal number to convert binary number system. Here 33, the base is 10. 10 means decimal. Now to convert the binary base is 2. Binary base is 2. So we can divide by 2. 32 divided by 2 16 times. Remainder 1. Next 2 divided by 2 16 divided by 2 8 times. Remainder 0. Next 2 8 divided by 2 4 times. Remainder 0. Next 4 divided by 2 times. Remainder 0. Next 2 divided by 2 1 times. Remainder 0. So we can write the result from down to top. That is 33 base 10 equal 1 0 0 0. Next is 0 and 1. This is a format for to convert given decimal number into binary number. Okay, here base is 10, 33 in decimal number. Now to convert binary base is 2, so we have to divide by 2. Okay, remainder we have to write down to top like this format 1 0 0 0 0 1. 33 decimal and the corresponding binary 1 0 0 0 0 1. Base is 2. This is the format to convert the given decimal number to binary format. And second sum 0.8 1 0.8125. 0.8125. This is a decimal number. To convert binary number system. This is for 0.8125. Now to convert given decimal to binary format, for that first we have to write 0.8125 into 2. We have to convert the after decimal point numbers. Okay, there are 3 ways we can stop the process. Suppose 0 occurs. Okay, here the number into 2, if any 0 occurs, the 0 multiply into 2, 0 multiply whatever number, that result is 0. So we can stop here itself. This is the one way to stop the conversion decimal to binary. And second one, the same number repetition, we can stop the conversion. And the third one, if no 0 occurs or same number repetition, then how to stop the conversion? After 5 digits, we can stop the process. This is there are 3 ways we can stop to convert decimal to binary format. Okay, first 0.8125 into 2 equal 0, 10. This is for 4 and 5 into 2 and 8, 1.6. Now result 0.6250 with a carry equals. We have to write only after decimal point. Before decimal point 625, and here the carry we can represent here 1. Next 0.6250 multiply into 2. 0, 10, 0 and carry 1, 4, 5 and 12, 1.2. Now result 0.2500 with a carry equal to, here carry is 1. Next one, we can write 0.250 into 2 equal to 0. This is for 10, 0 and 4.5. Now result, we can write 0.500 with a carry. Here the carry is 0 equal to 0. Next 0.5 into 2 equal to 1.0. Now multiply this one 1.0. Here the result is 0 and with a carry equal to 1. Next 0 multiply into 2. 0 we can multiply with the 2 means now the result is 0. So we can stop the process here itself. Okay. This is for 0 equal to 0. Now with a carry is 0. So we can stop the process here itself. There are 3 ways we can stop the process to convert decimal to binary. Number 1, if any 0 occurs here, we can stop the process here itself. And the second one, the same number repetition. If any same number repetition, we can stop the process. Third one, more than 5 digit occurs. More than 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can stop the process. There are three ways we can solve the decimal to binary conversion process. Okay, how to write the result? Here the point 8125 base 10 equal to, here we have to write the result from top to down. Okay, top to down we can write the result point 1 1 0 1 0. This is the result of the given 0.8125 decimal number, the corresponding binary conversion result. Okay. Third sum, 54.6 base 10. To convert binary number system. Here the given number 54.6. Here the combination of two numbers before decimal point as well as after decimal point. First we have to find out the 54 corresponding binary. Okay, 54 corresponding binary means we have to divide 2. Okay, here 27 remainder 0 and divide here 13 remainder 1 and here 6 remainder 1 and here 3 times remainder 0 and 1 times remainder 1. Here 27 remainder 0 and divide by 27 to remainder 13 remainder 1. Next 13 divided by 2 6 remainder 1 and 6 divided by 2 3 remainder 0 and 3 divided by 2 1 times and the remainder 1. Now the 54 base 10 equal, we can write the result from down to top 1 1 0 1 1 0. This is the decimal number 54 and corresponding binary value this one. And the second one 0.6 into 2. 0.6 into 2. Okay, we can multiply this one 1.2. Now 1.2 equal to, we can write the result 0.2 with a carry. With a carry equal to, your carry 1. Next 0.2 multiply into 2, 0.4. Now result 0.4 with a carry here 0. Next 0.4 multiply into 2, result is 0.8. We can write the result 0.8 with a carry equal to, your carry is 0. Next 0.8 into 2 equal to 1.6. Okay, now result 0.6 and then with a carry 1. With a carry 1 and 0.6 into 2. 0.6 into 2 equal to 1.2 equal to result 0.2 with a carry 1. Here 0.6 the same number repetition. So we can stop the process here itself. Now how to write the result? Top to down. That is 0.6 base 10 equal to 1 0 0 1 1 base 2. This is the format to convert the given decimal number to binary. Then finally, to write the final result, the 54.6 base 10 equal to the 54 corresponding binary value 1 1 0, 1, 1. Next is 0. After that decimal point. Here the decimal point. Next is 6. The corresponding binary value. We have to start with here 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1 base 2. This is the format for to convert given decimal number to corresponding binary code conversion. To convert the decimal to binary code conversion. For this one, there are 3 ways we can stop the process to convert the decimal to binary. Number 1, if any 0 occurs here, we can stop the process, or the same number repetition we can stop. Otherwise, if no 0 occurs, the same number not repeated, so we can stop the up to 5 digits. Up to 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 digits we can stop the process. This is the format for to convert the given decimal number to binary format. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.